Hey, how you doing? I thought I'd do a little review of what is quickly becoming one of my favorite tools in here. That's this little tiny Ryobi air compressor. I really like the little thing. It has been really handy. I got it as kind of a backup to my big air compressor, and I use it a heck of a lot more than I thought I would. It's light. You can get it around at every place really easily. It is slick. You can, you set your tire pressure, you put it on, and walk away, and it shuts off when it's done. It's really slick. So I'll show you how it works. Really simple operation. Up here on the screen, you turn it on. It comes up, zeroes itself out, and then these plus and minus buttons that increases. If you hold it, it jumps in 5s, and decreases your pressure, and then this is your start-stop button. So it's just your typical, end for a tire inflator, the little latch thing that you put it on, slide that over, and then you see I got it set to 25 psi, and then we just hit go. And there you go, shuts off all by itself, let you know it's done. And then the other cool thing is this. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. Just wraps around, and it's got a little thing on it to hook it back to itself. So if I'll put the phone down, I'll show you what it looks like when it's stored. Oh, there. That's what I didn't do a very good job of wrapping it around, obviously, because it's sticking out. But basically all you do is just wrap it around there. You can shut it off now, or it auto shuts off too, depending on what you want to do. Uses the 18-volt batteries, which is cool because most of my tools are 18 volt, and really nice tool. If you like the content, please like and subscribe, and see you soon.